Hey y'all, it's Jasmine here. We are getting into 12 Monkeys season 4, episode 9, titled One More Minute. This is like technically the penultimate episode cuz the next episode is a two-parter. It's also the series finale, so I'm just going to group those two together. Um and looking at the title of the last two episodes, it should have been the beginning. The last episode should the next episode, episode 10, should have been titled The Beginning. Episode 11 should have been titled The End, because that's how they do. But if I know this show the way that I think I do, I might be watching all three episodes tonight. It's currently 10 o'clock, so if I watch all three, I'll be done at 1, which is kind of wild. But I ain't gotta work tomorrow, so shit, fuck it. We just gonna see how this ends. I am not tired. I was supposed to watch this possibly like an hour ago, but I got sucked into watching 3 episodes of Insecure. Why? Why? I don't know. But yeah. What happened in the last episode? We fucking failed. That's what happened. We failed. Deacon is dead. Is he really dead? I don't know, cause I done thought this man was dead a bunch of different times, and he was not. I need some damn water. He was not. We got the weapon. Whatchamacallit. Olivia destroyed the weapon, so we have nothing. Not only that, but Cassandra finally has a white streak in her hair. I don't know what that's about. We didn't see that white streak before, right? So we are just now getting to the point at, was that season 3 or season 4? No, that was the beginning of season 4 when we were looking for Cassandra, and Cole told Cole not to give up. So I don't know, but here we are, ready to embark on this final adventure. By the time y'all see this on YouTube, I will be done, done, done. I don't even know the last episode that was edited, but I can show you. I can't show you, but I can tell you. The last episode that was edited, if you can fucking move over. Okay. Since when Foul Explorer don't wanna fucking. Okay. Wow. Great. Great. Okay. Lord have mercy. The last episode that was edited. Okay, so I just finished 12 Monkeys. What the hell we got going on here? 12 Monkey the season finale of season 3. So when y'all see this, that's when I recorded this, when season 3 episode 10 comes out. So I'm literally a whole season unedited ahead on YouTube. I meant on Patreon. So I don't know what that tell y'all, but I'm gonna be done. Yeah. Okay. See, they got all these. Shouldn't this be on Disney Channel? Do I really need a Disney Plus account if they got all this stuff on here? I don't know, but I'm ready to get into this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share, because that's always appreciated. If you want to check out my full reaction and any of my early reactions, you're gonna have to on my Patreon. The link is down below. Head over there for $1. You get the same thing you get on YouTube with our regular audio, no filter over the video. Check that out if you want to, and let's get into this episode. Oh, how long is that snake been on the thing right there? Wow.
demon cursed the
I'm
serpent,
about ready to lose my mind
driving
over
him
this damn
insane,
house. I need to
causing
sit.
him to eat his own tail. But a few, those who were seers, knew the serpent's true path, a weapon to destroy the demon.
Damn. What the hell we got going on here? What the? What is wrong with her? What is this? What the hell?
Cole?
Jennifer.
It's good. What happened?
It was all in here. All in there.
She let it all out.
Told you, Otter Eyes.
She's like a...
I could paint you the world.
What? Now we're already doing flashbacks.
Primaries had ample time to say what they mean. This isn't a message. They've given us one final mystery to solve.
54 unique symbols, by my count. Strands and pieces
What?
don't even align, so there's no telling the logic.
There doesn't appear to be a pattern. It's completely random.
Is it? What?
We're looking at them from the wrong angle.
Oh, we gotta get up top.
It's a spiral.
They fit together.
10 macro symbols representing 0 through 9.
Presented
What?
in a logarithmic program for a machine.
There seems to be a pattern of 2 symbols repeating in groups of 4.
With which of these are we most familiar?
How the hell are you getting this?
1920.
In 4 numbers, I should be able to decipher the rest.
Perhaps
Blaze.
this can tell us
Please.
where it was meant to send
What?
you.
Oh, 2009. Oh, wait.
Get dressed. We should stay on the move.
Oh,
Find a way
damn,
back
I
to
forgot
my-
about these two.
Marion is just a name I made up.
You can choose to help us.
You cannot stop what never began. Not Katerina, not James Cole.
Your son.
That is her fucking son.
We begin
That's impossible.
What?
I haven't.
Are
had a
you
child
telling me
with
that Olivia is
Why
his
was it?
grandma?
to find you.
That makes me want to fucking throw up. Are you shitting me? How the hell old was she when she slept with him? How old is he right there? I got questions. I thought they were just throwing names around like some shit. That's really his fucking mom.
What if Katerina and Elliot don't believe us?
I'm their daughter.
To be a mother.
They found her. She don't know how to fight against guns, does she? Oh shit. Damn.
In the primary code, we found dozens of temporal coordinates in our code.
But if something happened to her
13,
right
then
here, Cole would have
2015,
never
Philadelphia,
been born.
1987
If that
Tokyo,
really I got trust
44,
issues, man.
75.
Coordinates which doesn't match anything in our system. April 3rd, 2018.
2 days before.
This is the plague that
Our first mission.
was pushed back, pushed forward.
Why 2 days before?
The plague has an incubation period of 24 to 48 hours. You can only spread it. And in 36 hours, the world will realize.
And JFK is one of the most traveled international airports in North America.
This place.
It's when they release the plague.
At the airport? Why the hell she don't know about this? Damn! Of course. Kick his fucking ass. So further back? They probably the active shooters, huh?
Go back and stop the tall man from dropping it?
Or
We still don't know this
steal
man's
it out
name.
from under him before. After Jennifer vanished, the whole business collapsed. That'll happen when your CEO promises to genetically engineer a unicorn.
Plague. This feel familiar to you?
Mm-hmm.
The hell is that thing?
The origin.
We are really doing
Inside that old
flashbacks
meat.
right now.
Centuries-old virus.
It's Oz. What you mean it's Oz? Not like other Oz, right? Ah, shit. Imagine Cassandra's the one that spread it.
That's just need to destroy it.
I don't think that's how that works.
We burned it last time, but since you don't want to set the hotel on fire, we'll drown it.
Well, obviously. Who is that? Jennifer? Oh, shit.
You've been stranded here for 9 years. Why didn't you find us sooner?
Causality, accidentally undo something that shouldn't be undone.
Damn, they added some age to her, didn't she?
We gotta go.
What did she tell her to run or something?
Come on. Hello? Help! Somebody's hurt! Hello?
What the
Joan sent you to find my mother.
Hey, what's going on? What happened to you?
No, it's not me. The car crashed him. The man was shooting then.
It's okay.
Marion was the name she chose. Before that, there was Emma.
She was born with a single purpose. To complete Titan so that it could initiate one final sequence.
Space without time. The Red Forest. Titan will create a paradox of time itself. Moments over moments so great that it could never be undone. Will be the last day on Earth.
Every day existed will be the last day. What the hell does that even mean?
His goins.
The readings from Titan are unprecedented. The sheer volume of temporal energy is astounding.
None of that matters anymore. We have the virus.
Once Olivia turns on her weapon, begins a Red Forest. She'll exist outside of causality.
But it will rob us of the only weapon we have to use against her. Time travel. They sent us here to release it.
So are we in a continuous fucking loop?
No, this whole mission has been about saving 7 billion people, not killing them.
Either 7 billion people die today, or everyone dies forever.
So we've been trying to stop ourselves this whole entire time? Is that what you're saying to me right now? That's what we're doing? Cool.
James Cole.
The only one of true importance is James Cole.
You shouldn't be here. You have work to finish.
The virus was taken by James and Cassandra on the eve of its release. They've interfered again.
James Cole somehow remains a threat to our perfect realm. Today I will end his cycle.
Oh, will you?
And then
I hope you die in the process.
Not as you may have intended.
The witness has spoken.
Mothers die for their children. Yours died protecting you. She always said she felt trapped between two worlds.
She grew up without her mother, never knew her father. I don't think she realized how much that had shaped her until she was faced with the idea of giving you up.
Handed me off to my dad with nothing but that bullshit story.
The story's not over yet, James.
Go home.
Why 1,000 dates when you only mean one?
But the primaries built a machine.
That you needed a machine to get to.
Maybe.
It wasn't. Maybe it was never meant
So I wasn't far off. I said, what if Cassandra's the one that had released it? But I was thinking by accident, not on purpose. Who the hell got shot? Who was shooting? Oh, I guess they were trying to kill. Oh, no, that wasn't James that died, right?
Sometimes terrible things happen, so that great things can happen next.
it was always us. I need to see this to the end.
I'm here. I'll push you until the clock stops.
No. I just watched. No. Ain't no way. You did her fucking dirty, Jones. I'm still mad about that. Maybe had I not just edited that episode, I would not be as upset as I am right now. But no, hell no. Jennifer being the one to take care of her, you got me fucked up.
To stop something that never started, to end something that never began.
Girl.
Dr. Adler, run a simulation. The primary code against the current time stream.
When we initiate the primary code sequence,
Serpent's free.
the loops are broken, erased.
Show me those printed coordinates again.
These dates do not represent all our splinters.
No, only Mr. Cole's. This is every time he has traveled. Every moment he has affected the time.
So what are we trying to kill Cole now?
This was never about splintering.
Let me do this for you.
This was designed to destroy a Jinn. The primaries built a machine. Embrace James Cole.
Cole can't be a Jinn. You said yourself, this is something that can only be born of time travel. Cole's father wasn't a traveler.
His mother, Marion.
Oh my god, they did that so perfectly.
No.
Damn, Cassandra turned herself into a bad bitch.
It's okay. This was my choice. This was all I could do. Protect you one last time. Mothers die for their children. Died protecting you. The story's not over yet, James.
What are we saying here? Bitch, what? Hannah's your mother? That's why they made her look so old? So Hannah's your mother? Is that what we're saying? That's what we're doing right now?
For without time's will, its shackles. There is the after of the Red Forest. Never has to choose anything.
That's unfair.
Oh my fuck.
The time is cruel.
You know, I watched the ones I loved die, defeated by time. In the end, we all lose.
Damn, should have shot him on
you may yet
sight.
Goodbye, Cassandra.
I'm not sure if you'll ever find this. If there will come a time when we'll know the truth.
Is that blood on his shirt? Probably. Yeah.
Perhaps someday I will have the chance to tell you myself. But however you hear the tale, want you to be certain of one thing. It was a love story.
Help me get her in the truck.
The first time I met your father was an act of bravery, fighting to save the life of a stranger. He reminded me of you.
Ooh.
If for a moment the future taught me anything, it was the peace of a simple life. Of hunting, fishing, of quiet moments away from the world.
I'm sorry. She kept calling for you. Marion, right?
I'm Matthew.
Why did I stay?
I guess because you knew you had to.
Protect him should they ever come.
Oh.
For all my mother's talk of causality and eventuality, I finally found something that felt like fate.
That's what you want to call it?
Every day I thought about leaving, and every day he gave me a reason to stay.
Yeah, she's a stubborn one.
Well, my father used to say the common core of all great achievement is failure.
You hold that in place right there. Let me get in here.
This is disrespectful.
Honest. He made me laugh. I knew we would never grow old together, but I loved him anyway.
Did I ever figure out what her age was supposed to be? When did... Is wild.
Timeless and without hesitation.
Oh, shit.
I wanted it to last, but I knew I couldn't stay.
That's fucked up. You could have stayed. That would have changed shit. Ugh.
For you.
I'm upset. I'm irritated for Cole's father right now.
I told you this was a love story. Not just of a woman for a man. This letter, James, is the last story I've left to tell you. Thank you, James. You saved my life when I was a child. You saved my soul when you were born.
Damn. 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 What the f***?
Daughter, but proudest to be your mother.
Is that why I kept restarting over? When they were trying to save her as a fucking child? What the... Bruh. What the hell? Why did it look like aftershave?
We had to tell you. It should be your choice.
For years, I was by myself.
I saw you once, sitting in the park, looking down at the luckiest little girl.
The way you looked at me, the way you're looking at me now.
How did this just turn into a fucking family? I mean, they were already family.
I was there when you lost your father. And I was there when you found your brother.
Ramsey.
I can't bear to say goodbye. This moment between the three of us.
Right. That's fucking wild.
It will be over.
1 minute more.
1 minute more. So we're stuck in a continuous loop. Just gonna fuck up a moment with this bullshit. I feel like I'm watching a movie. Are we really all sitting and waiting right now?
I'm the demon.
Oh, to be concluded. What the fuck? Oh my god, that's really how we ended it. Talk about a mind fuck. Oh my god. Bro, this whole entire episode was like It, this whole entire episode, are you kidding me? This is one of those shows where, like, if someone asks you what your superpower would be, my superpower would always be to, whenever I watch something, be able to watch it for the first fucking time. Cause you better be fucking you better be aware that I am definitely going to I can't even speak. Re-watch this and see what we're doing. Like how? How did we get here? What did we do? So we've known from the beginning, literally this entire time this man has been with his grandma. That's what we're doing. He literally just watched his grandfather die a couple episodes back. To be concluded. This feels like a fucking movie. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then we got the damn red forest. Damn. So I guess all of our main characters, Cole, Cassandra, Jones, um, Hannah, um, Jennifer, they all got that little bit of happiness. Um, Probably Jones, like right before, or like when her and the baby were together, or when she met with her husband. We've got Cassandra and Cole when they were in 19 or whatever the fuck time with the cabin, when damn Ethan was born, or when Ethan was conceived. We've got I can't remember when Katarina's time was. Not Katarina, Jennifer. But I know she had a happiness in there. Was her happiness when she was ruling the world with her girls? Mm. So they let us believe for a minute that Olivia was the grandma. So a fucking misdirect is what it was. Oh my god, this show is fucking wild. Fuck. I don't really know what else to say. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next episode. How about that? So, yeah. Let me know what y'all thought about this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share, because that's always appreciated. If you want to check out my full reaction or any of my early reactions, you can head to my Patreon. The link is down below. Head over there for $1. You get the same thing you get on YouTube with regular audio, no filter video. Check that out if you want to. And I'm gonna head into the conclusion.